Guys, it's Ivy and it's half a dollar generals ad preview for the week of 5/25 to 5/31, and it is awesome, guys. We're gonna start right here at the top with the Cheetos, the buy one get one 50% off. Now, the last time they had this deal going on, it was a awesome cash back with it, so hopefully they'll have another one going on. The Doritos are 2 for $7 or $1 off, so make them 2 for $6. Then you have right here the candy is back. Now this was working where it was glitching and it was giving you 3 bags for $3. Now all of the stores are updating, so if you go to an old store, try picking up 3 bags. They're usually buy 2 get 1 free, and then spend $9 and you get $3 off, but it was glitching. Okay, so let's see if that's gonna glitch. This can be early activated right here. Okay, and so can, I don't know, I don't think this can be. This is right here, the Dr. Pepper are 3 for $11. Hopefully they'll give us a coupon. And the Post cereal, finally they took the Post to 2 for $6, gave us a $1 coupon, making them 2 for $5. Hopefully we get some cash back. The Folgers, a lot of Folgers was on clearance, guys. If you didn't get that, then this $9.95, I would probably hold off. These are 4 for $5, which is actually a good deal. But if you like me and you go to a big box store, then probably try and use those. These Mountain Dews are 3 for $15. Now, we had a couple of coupons that made us out for some awesome deals this week, like past week. So see if you have any of those coupons. Same for these 3 for $15. Then you have a $1.50 sale. Now, the sodas was just 5 for $5, guys. If you didn't take advantage of that sale, then you probably want this one. But if you did, I would pass on that. This is back. See this? The spend 30, save 5, which I told you the coupon never works for me. But you see that dollar digital coupon? Plus, we have a coupon that's $1.05 that does not expire till the 31st. You can stack those together and you'll end up paying $2.50 instead of $3.50 for one. Okay. Then right here, the tissue is $9.95, and then they gave us a $1 coupon, making it $8.95. Hopefully that coupon will match with that one single roll on the dollar aisle. Now we have this coming back, spend 15, save 3, and they gave us a $1 coupon off on the tissue. The tissue, look at that, it's lavender. I remember when tissues used to have smells to them and different colors. They bringing those back, huh? So that'll make the 12-pack, or that's the 18-pack for $5. So look at the count on them, guys, okay? Let's see what those are going on to be. Then you have the Angel Soft Tissue that is $1 off, making it $5.35. Great deal. The 2-day sales are back May 25th through the 26th. Now, this is Memorial Day weekend. Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Buy 2, get 2 free. That's an awesome deal. And then the plates are $5.95. Now, I stocked up on plates during the clearance, so I don't think I need those. But if you didn't, try and see if you can go to other places. We don't gatekeep. These right here, the Studio Selects, the Sun Care is buy one, get one 75% off. That's a good deal, but they did have a lot on clearance. Now, the Monsters are 3 for $7 with a $1 coupon, making them 3 for $6. These are back. The Lipton's 2 for $4. Hopefully that coupon is still working. Spend 10, get 3 off. That'll make for an awesome deal. Then you have the ice creams of $3.75. All of the ice creams, popsicles, and all of that is on sale because this is the kickoff to the summer. Okay, then you have the $2 off on the Celsius water. 3 for $8 on any of the cans of coffee mix. Popcorn $3.50. These are a great deal right here. The Kool-Aid Jammers for $2.50, guys. If you got kids, that'll be good to just throw in a cooler. These are 2 for $9. Now, if the Oreos and the Nabiscos are included in that spend 9, save 3, you might come out to a good deal with that 2 for $9. So you got to look at the deal. All right. And then the beef jerky. These are $1 for the nuts and peanuts. Throw them in your purse. Then we have all of the crackers and Twinkies on sale. The candy is buy 3, get 1 free. All the candies are on sale. These right here were 47 cents, guys, on clearance. So I would kind of think twice if you got hold to those. Then this is save 50 cents when you buy 2 of those. All of these are candies. If you get some glitches, now see, I paid 44 cents for those gummy worms, so I will hold off on those. Anything I bought during clearance, you see it now, guys. Hold off from that. Remember, we are recession proofing ourselves. We don't need that if you bought it during clearance. Concentrate on things you do need right now, okay? Like this breakfast, the Seattle's Best 2 for $11 coffee. Buy one, get one free. Fountain, I will probably try that one. 2 for $5 on the peanut butter and jellies. Peanut, that one actually was on the clearance also. Then the Dunkin' is $6.95. Hopefully they gave us a good coupon. This is awesome, guys. Me and my daughter made that. That was so good, that splasher. And then that's $8.95. Then here it is. The General Mills are 2 for $6. I think they gave us a coupon, and we had that $1 cash back that worked for both at the same time. $6.95 for the Jimmy Dean's, and then $7 for Eggo. Big one. Okay, and then you have the barbecue grill. That's the charcoal is $3. The grills are $15. They're gonna start selling the little small ones. Now, all of the cups in place are 2 for $9. Like I said, if you bought any of those during the clearance, then I would hold off on those, okay? Buy one, get one, 50% off on the Jiffy foil pans. And then the spoons, of course, are $2.95 again during clearance. I bought some of those. I also bought this during clearance right here. You see all of these? The summer swim toys are $1. Take advantage of any of the sunscreens. If you bought that during clearance, guys, like these, I bought those during clearance also. So a lot of these things you can actually not touch because you bought them during clearance. Okay, now you also have your $1.50 off on the all starting at $5. That's an awesome deal. You got $1 off on the Clorox. Save $2 off on any finish. And then look at this, spend 10, save 3 on any of Day True Living products, which is awesome. And then you have the $2 off on the Sparkle. They're giving us a lot of paper product deals. This is $3.25 for the 2 count. I will probably leave that alone. That was also on the clearance. The Viva is $4.75. Then you also have the Palmolive 2 for $5. Hopefully that $1.50 coupon will be there again. They gave us $1 off on that bleach. These are $3.50. What is that? Spray refills, 50 cents. I will hold off on that. The cotton nail right here is $9.50, and they got totes for $9. And then what's this? Spend 30, save 10 on deals. The P&G, you get all of these. Now, if we get some manufacturer and Dollar General coupons together, this deal will make out to be awesome, okay? That's what you want to concentrate on. They do have a big newspaper this week, guys, which makes out for better deals. Here's $1 off. Hopefully that dollar glitch off on the dollar toothpaste owl. 75 cents. That hopefully will glitch off that $1.50 coupon. Hopefully so. Let's pray. $2 off on the Bics. They gave us 3 on the Gillettes. Buy one, get one, 50% off on Doves. The Suave. Make sure you pay attention. Scan the smallest one and see if that dollar connect to it. The Pantene 2 for $10. Last time they gave us a good coupon on that Pantene when it was 2 for $10. Hopefully we'll get another one. This Always deal had an awesome one this week past. Let's see if they give us some good coupons for it. And then you have all of the diapers on sale, which also was on clearance. Look through your clearance items, guys. Now, you also have 3 for $16 on the Sunkist. That's expensive. Go to Walgreens. Buy 2, get 2. These are 3 for $6. I will hold off. Powerades, 3 for $6. That's not a bad deal right there. The Lay's, remember, they are buy 2, get 2, the 25th and the 26th. So get them then, and then you won't have to worry about this deal. $3 off on the Tide. Remember, we have a $2 Tide coupon, and it's a manufacturer, and then you could stack it with that one, okay? Then $3 off. Okay, they gave us Arm & Hammer again with $3 off. That's a good deal. $2 on the Dawn dish detergent. Oh, the free. Okay, this plug is back. Whenever this plug is back, guys, check that cheaper one, and this usually will work on it, and it'll end up being free, and I think like a 50-cent moneymaker, if I'm not mistaken. Glade trash bags, $8.95. These are $3.50. I will hold off on those. And all of the car products. They had so many car things on sale, guys. I hope you guys make sure you go back and look at your clearance items that you bought so you won't rebuy anything. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon camp because we don't gatekeep. Bye.